So there's the K9 panel, all sprayed up black. Got to wait for that to dry, then I'm going to insert the buttons, and I've also done the lenses that go in them. Now they're red and I'm not sure I'm going to get around those, but they go in there. So they're all glued in. So carrying on from putting the LEDs in, one little thing I'm not too happy with, but I might learn on the second build, learn from this build, the second build, and I believe that's come off. Okay, let's put that back on. I need to get my soldering iron out. Right, so I'll tell you what I've done. I ordered these from China. I'm not exactly sure what they're called now, but they all change the speed and the pattern of how the LEDs flash. It's 9 volts though, so got lenses for the K9 panel. They need to be red. So I'll give this a shot. Lightly, sorry about that. There you go. Let them dry off. Hopefully the LEDs will still shine through them. So carrying on from putting the LEDs in, one little thing I'm not too happy with, but I might learn on the second build, learn from this build, the second build, and I believe that's come off. Okay, let's put that back on. I need to get my soldering iron out. Right, so I'll tell you what I've done. I ordered these from China. I'm not exactly sure what they're called now, but they all change the speed and the pattern of how the LEDs flash. It's 9 volts though, so when I had it on first with just 2 batteries, the LEDs were dead low, so I bumped them up to 4 batteries. What I'm going to probably do in between here is find some kind of like off and on switch on eBay, so I can turn it off and on rather than it being on all the time. Unfortunately this hasn't got an off and on as far as I know, just mode, speed and how bright you want the light. So not a problem. I mean, I could even put a tilt switch on one of the wires, so when it's laying down it comes on, but just pull it off the K9 and leave it standing up somewhere and it'd be off. That's another option. Let's have a look. And obviously you've just seen me spray the lenses. What they're going to look like I don't know, but I'm going to probably stick a couple of these extra red ones behind them on there somewhere, or just see what it looked like with some multicoloured ones. I don't know, we'll see. But like I say, you can change the pattern of these lights. Let's see if I can flip it over with the wires staying intact. Put there. When the lights are on, they look really good, the lenses, but when I switch them off, you can see the super glue underneath, which I think on the next build when I print some of these off, what I'll do is I'll probably just put a light bit of super glue in each corner rather than it spreading underneath. Like I say, when the lights are on they're fine. Where's the mode button? Where is the mode button? I trust it's going to be all the way around there. Bear with me. Oh, right, okay, so let's see what this is. The light one. Okay, that didn't really. Oh, that just made it static. Okay, mode. It's a shame that they don't sort of like do a random pattern, but it's, you know, it's okay. We've got a few choices. I like that, but it just kind of glows. And you can, let's say, a few different modes. That's not too bad. And that as well. Yeah. It's turning out quite well. It's certainly better than the first K9 panel I made. Oh, well, I didn't actually make this one, a friend made me that. But like I say, I'm going to reproduce this in metal. Have a go anyway. And take it from there. And then at some point I will be dragging my K9 out. He's got a few problems. The tail wasn't wagging and one of the ears weren't, the motors were, there was nothing. But I got the tail wagging and I got one of the ears moving, so I'm going to have to, when I drag him out, take him apart and have a look at that ear motor. There's been that many years since I wired it up, I can't remember how I did it and what's what. But I'll do a video of that at some point when I do drag him out. But at the moment just this, and the next time you see this there should have 2 panels in there, and we'll see how that goes with these sprayed red lenses. Okay, thanks for watching.